In this Crayo AI tutorial, I will demonstrate the quickest method to convert a long-form video into short-form content in just a few minutes. Navigate to the left panel and select the Auto Trim Video option. You will be prompted to either upload a video file or paste the URL of a YouTube video. For this demonstration, I will visit YouTube and select a video showcasing the NBA Finals highlights. Choose the video of your preference and copy the YouTube URL. Paste the URL into the provided text box and click the Download button. In the top right corner, you will find options to enter a prompt, choose a genre, and specify the desired clip length. I will input a prompt to create a video featuring the best highlights, choose YouTube as the genre, and set the duration to 1 minute. Click Next to proceed. Now, choose a layout for the video style. You can also customize the placement of the subtitle text within the video. Click Next to continue. Choose a subtitle template and click Generate Video. The video will take a few seconds to process and generate. Once generated, you can preview the final video.
Move from Jason Tatum. Irving finds a spot and hits the three. Just the second three-pointer for Kyrie Irving. Tatum spins, falling away. It's up and good.
If you're satisfied with the result, click Export and assign a name to the video. The export process will complete within a few seconds. Here is the final outcome of the video.
Jason Tatum. Irving finds a spot and hits the three. Just the second three-pointer for Kyrie Irving. Tatum spins, falling away. It's up and good. As Doncic rattles in the three. 7 on the 24 for Tatum. Goes at Doncic, gets inside, layup, shot is good! Somehow he muscled it in. Stolen by White.
Thank you for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and gained some valuable insights. If you're interested in exploring Crayo AI further, please follow the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative content.